Okay, here we are in our ninth week, and this week we're going to turn our attention to something that we went into briefly relative to economics last week, and that is the kinship system. But we're going to look at it in much more detail this week. And once again, we're dealing with one of those universal characteristics of human beings. They all have these kinship organizations, and it is most common for labor, productive labor within the society to be organized around kinship. Even in modern urban societies, there's still this underlying basis of kinship labor organization. So we need to get a good grasp of that. I think it's just eternally interesting that everything from probably the Homo erectus family to the any family living in the modern urban megacity environment, they're all based on basically the same thing. The nuclear family at the root of it, the mother, father, children, and then probably most societies tend to have a little bit bigger perspective on families, the extended family, which includes grandma and grandpa and cousins and the like in a economic unit, and then they go on to and those still, even in the greatest cities in the world, are still the basic economic and reproductive units of societies. So take to your reading. Get some good discussions going in the discussion lab in your clans about what the what the implications of all of this family stuff is, and then next week we'll move on to another one of these packages about language and how language tends to glue us together.